Hello, everybody. This is Craig Goldenfarb, an attorney with GOLDLAW in West Palm Beach, and we're here on the Gold Standard. My guest today is someone very special to me, Dr. Alessandra Colón, who's a chiropractor.
And by the time I was 18, 2021, I stopped counting the abundant amount of pills and medications I was on. And someone said to me, well, why don't you go see a chiropractor? I said, well, what the heck is that? Who the heck? Are they even real doctors? And sure enough, I said, you know what? I got nothing to lose. So I went and visited a chiropractor in Margate, New Jersey. He was the chiropractor for the Philadelphia Eagles. I'll never forget it. And before I knew it, about 1 year into getting adjusting, following his healthy habits and lifestyle, I got off every single pill. I was healthier than ever. My gut health issues had almost completely resolved. I was clear-minded. I had clarity. I was running marathons. And I thought, gosh, if I'm going to heal people, I'm going to heal them in the most natural route. I dropped out of med school and became a chiropractor.